My name's not Heidi Cracker.
Yes.
Careful, you're gonna drop your sandwich.
Oh, what?
Yeah, you gotta hold on. Oh yeah, it's going down.
I'm full.
You're full? You're not gonna finish your ice cream sandwich? One more bite. It's all over your face, dude. What happened?
You put on my face.
Me? I did that?
Uh-huh.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I wouldn't do something like that.
Yes.
Lick your lips. You have chocolate on your lips.
Huh? No.
Lick. Other side, this side.
I did.
No, you gotta lick out here. This side. Out here. Lick out there. Outside. It's
I just saw you, Heidi. Play for a little bit.
No, we gotta go get your mama. Can you sing a song though?
ABCDFG.
Different song.
No, ABC.
Okay, go ahead. Okay.
No, I don't want ABC. What you say with me?
Good job.
I have to finish eating something and then we'll crash.
She's talking about you.
Eat it.
Talking about you.
I know what.
Who's she talking to?
Me.
She's talking to your mom.
No, me.